How to lock WhatsApp without installing any app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Sign in to your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner and access settings. Scroll down and now tap privacy option. Scroll to the bottom and select chat lock. Now here you can easily lock your chats and manage to unlock and clear lock chat if there is any. So, on this section, you need to simply open App Lock and make sure to toggle the button for unlock with biometric and confirm your biometric. Here you need to select when you want to lock, suppose immediately or after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. If you want to show content in notification, toggle the button on. This is the one way to lock WhatsApp. Other way is simply from the settings section. Open settings on your Android phone. Go ahead and open password and security or simply privacy option. And here select privacy and tap on app lock. Again, enter your privacy password and then choose WhatsApp from the section. Before that, make sure that you have toggle on the button for App lock at top of the screen. Toggle the button on for WhatsApp, and when you tap lock, here you will see that we have locked WhatsApp without installing any third-party app. When you open WhatsApp, you'll be requiring privacy password to enter, and then here you go. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.